So I've stayed up late doing a bunch of back testing, playing with the one shot, one kill on Ninja Trader. And I've come to determine that I can just wait for price to bounce off one of the end caps on the first light beacon and then let this thing go, right? So if I'm looking at TradingView and I'm looking at the end caps, and we'll just do a little playback here. We bounce off a 15-minute end cap at 1:03 p.m. today. So we're at 12:55, 12:56. Here we go, getting there. 1:03 right there. All right. So we're going to pause this. And we've got the bot enabled, and we're only going to go long. So I'm going to click longs only. I'm going to click ARM. And let's click play. Let's see what happens here. See if we can make some money with this thing.
Order filled. Top stop filled.
There's 115.
Order filled. Top stop filled.
260.
Order filled. Stop filled.
450. Running 2 minis here. Special ATM.
Or target filled. Stop filled.
You want to hit quick. We're up 570. We're only going about 6 minutes. We are going 10 times the speed.
Order filled.
These are 15-second candles.
Stop filled.
All right, there we're up 655.
Order filled.
That doesn't look good.
Stop
Oh,
filled.
bam, we got it. All right, we're up 790. Haven't had a loss yet. And all I did was wait until we bounced off an end cap. Said, okay, well, it's bouncing off the end bottom of it, or the top of it, so I'm just going to go for longs. And here we are. And it's not liking anything right now. That's fine. We're up 790. Would have been in 20
Order
17
filled.
minutes.
Stop filled.
Oh, there's our first loss. We're down at 385.
Order filled. Target filled.
All right. We got a TP1. We're trailing.
Stop
We're
filled.
up 815. Recovered that loss real quick.
Order filled.
There we go. Let's see what happens here.
Target filled.
Boom.
Stop
There we
filled.
go. We're up 955.
Order filled.
And
Stop
we're up
filled.
1,000, 1150. We already hit my daily goal, so it already
Order
been shut down,
filled.
but just let it run.
Target filled.
There we are. That
Stop
trails
filled.
up. So we're up 1350 now.
Order filled.
Let's go. Ooh, that almost hit that. Oh, that was close.
Target filled.
Ooh,
Stop
look at that.
filled.
We're up 1,500. Been playing with the trailing stop and playing with some settings. Kind of like it. It does
Order
piss you out,
filled.
but you know what? Let's just. What if you got a trailing drawdown account? I mean, you know, so different settings for different things. But yeah, I like it how it's running. It's following it. Yeah, that's
Stop
a good run
filled.
here. So we're up 1855 now. We've been going for
Order
20
filled.
minutes basically.
Target filled.
1945. Ooh,
Stop
look at that
filled.
run. Okay, we're up 2180.
Order filled.
Might have to readjust my daily
Stop
goal if this
filled.
is hitting like this all the time. 2315.
Order
we're up.
filled.
And what's it gonna do? Ooh, look at that. I hate them one tickers, man. Them one tickers will piss you off. Hit it. There
Stop
it goes.
filled.
Then I got a little run on the second one. So
Order
25.45
filled.
now. It's basically we got a second, and there's just TP's way up there just in case it does run all the way up. Give us something to
Target
close it.
filled.
All right, so we're running. We're trailing our runner.
Stop filled.
Boom, good. We're 27.95 right now.
Order filled. Stop filled.
We're at 29.25. Let's see. So if you're running 2 micros, you'd be up almost $300 just on running 2 micros. It's not bad, less than an hour. And this is on NQ.
Order
obviously.
filled.
All right, let's see. Does this one get it? Does it
Target
get,
filled.
Got it. Got
Stop
some trail on
filled.
the second contract too there. So we got 31.25 now.
Order
Running
filled.
2 minis. Running 2 minis. This one's struggling. Might actually get a stop loss. I think we've only had 1 loss so far. So
Stop
yep,
filled.
there it goes. Still up $2,700. We have 2 losses. And it's been running for about 50 minutes is what the time would have been. So we're doing this in 50 minutes, $2,700 in 50 minutes. Well, it's not liking anything right here. We're set to longs only, so we don't want to be selling. And ooh, look at that. Surprised it didn't do anything there. No, it didn't really. Yeah, conditions weren't met. So we'll get into something here shortly. Right now it's kind of consolidating, so it's kind of good that it's not taking any trades. Probably get an entry right here the way it looks. Maybe. It does not like this consolidation.
Order
There we
filled.
go. There's something. Is this one gonna
Target
ooh,
filled.
There we go.
Stop
Yep.
filled.
All right, so we're at 28.15, almost back to 3,000. Or were we actually there? I don't know. I'll have to look.
Order filled.
So we're still on our bull run here. It looks like. Oh, that's not good. Oh, look at that! Right, recovery.
Target
Boom.
filled.
Oh, and a
Stop
trail.
filled.
So we're over 3,000 now, and
Order filled.
there we go.
Target
Just
filled.
scalping
Stop
this little
filled.
butt off. 32.45.
Order filled. Target filled.
We
Stop
got a trail on
filled.
that one too. 34.20.
Stop filled.
That one hit break even on
Order
second
filled.
and TP on first. So that was pretty quick. What are we gonna go here? Ugh.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I saw that coming. But it's all right. We're still up 3,105. I think we've had 3, maybe 4 losses so far, and we're probably.
Order filled.
I would call it a day at that point. I mean, that's a good chunk of change in an hour. And automated. Yeah, see, stupid things start to happen when you get greedy.
Stop
Come on.
filled.
Yeah, see, look at that right there. Anyways, I just wanted to show the power of using this thing. I'm gonna pull up TradingView real quick and just show you what I did and like why I even got into this. Why I said, okay, I'm gonna short this here. So if you go into the first light beacon here real quick, right? So at 1 o'clock, now you could have done this shorting all the way down. I just went for the long real quick just to get the thing. But anyways, so we break up, we go down, and we actually bounce off of one of the end caps on the first light beacon, and then this turns green. The beacon line turns green. If you go into a 5-minute chart, it's clear as day too. So we'll go into a 5-minute, wait for this thing to populate real quick. And for some reason, just lately, TradingView's just been slow. I don't know if it's my PC or what, but it's still just circling around. There we go. All right, so we get a bounce off of an end cap, at 1 o'clock and the beacon line is green. Hell, set that bot to buy only and let it run all the way until it turns red right here. See that? Now the bot does have the beacon line in there, and it will only long and green and only short when red, but that's based on time 5-minute candles, and we are using I was using 15-second candles, so I would manually turn it on and off as long as this condition was met, right? And then in this chop coming down, you could short this. You would have bounced off some 15-minute zones there too. You go into smaller time frames and you can see them. But yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there real quick. I'm actually going to be using it like that and live. So we'll see how it goes. Have a good one.